You know, smoothies are the best ways to get all the micronutrients, to get all the antioxidants and all the vitamins that you need for a healthy skin and also healthy hair. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm super excited for today's video because we are going to discuss another skin glow recipe. I'm going to just start with the ingredients that you need for this smoothie, and the first thing that you need is 1 green apple. The next thing that you need is 1 slice of pineapple. You need to add 1 tablespoon of wheatgrass powder to this. You need 1 bowl of spinach. You need 1 banana, and all you need is fresh coconut water. You need to add all this in a blender. Blend nicely for about 20 to 25 seconds until there's a nice paste-like structure made. And if you want a lesser consistency, you can add some more coconut water and just have this smoothie. It's extremely refreshing, it's very hydrating for your skin, and it is going to give you all those vitamins and all those antioxidants that you need for a healthy skin. Try this recipe today, and if you're making this recipe, upload it on your Instagram and tag me in it. If you like this video, share it with your loved ones, subscribe to my channel, and when you subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell icon so that you get a notification every time I upload a new video. Always remember, it's never just a diet, it's always a lifestyle. So stay healthy, stay fit, stay grateful, and stay blessed.